One of my favorite things to eat is an open-faced sandwich, a crusty piece of bread with something tasty on it. So today I want to show you three of my favorites. I'm going to start with something new. I saw these English peas, fresh peas at Trader Joe's, bought them and came home and started to Google around, and I found this recipe for ginger sweet pea dressing. And it is quite fabulous. I have made it about 4 or 5 times, and it's just sauteing ginger, jalapeno, and a little spring onion, and then pureeing it in the food processor. If you don't have one of these, you must have one. Just the peas, which you cook for 90 seconds, and miso. And it's got the strong ginger, and you can put as much jalapeno in it as you want. Spread it on bread or a cracker. It is a crowd pleaser, I promise. Number 2 is an old favorite of mine. I've been doing this for years, and it's a smoked salmon dish that I just cut up the smoked salmon and I add some vinaigrette dressing that I make myself with some shallots and capers. It is easy. I often have it for lunch or even breakfast, but it's a great appetizer. Number 3 is a recipe from my friend Karen Kaplan's fabulous cookbook called Open Faced. And she is a longtime foodie, was with Bon Appetit for many years, and she is terrific. And what I've made of hers, hold on, is this garbanzo bean spinach with a little roasted red peppers. You can roast your own. I did not. And just serve this again on a crusty little piece of bread, and it is fabulous. Now, did you notice that there was no cheese in any of this? Because as you may be aware, I try to limit my cheese to once or twice a week because it is so easy to eat cheese every day. But the switch is that all of these foods are anti-inflammatory. You've got peas, you've got salmon, you've got spinach, red peppers, chickpeas. Listen, it is not that difficult to eat an anti-inflammatory diet, and it's delicious, and that is smart eating.